To format a paper in MLA style, follow these guidelines. Number 1, font and size. Use a readable font such as Times New Roman in 12-point size. Everything I'm saying I'm putting in the description. Number 2, margins. Set 1 inch margins on all sides of the page. Number 3, spacing. Double space the entire paper, including the Works Cited page. Number 4, the header. Include a header in the upper right corner with your last name and the paper number. Sorry, the page number. Number 5, title. Center the title of your paper. Do not underline, italicize, or place it in quotation marks. Number 6, first page information. On the first page, include your name, the instructor's name, the course name, and the date, all double-spaced and aligned to the left. Okay? Number 7, indentation. Use a 1/2 inch indent for the first line of each paragraph. Number 8, Works Cited page. At the end of the paper, include the Works Cited page that lists all the sources that you referenced. This page should include Works Cited at the top center of the page. I'll put it in the description, everything I just said. All right? So hopefully your paper meets the MLA formatting standards. If you have any questions, put them in the description. See you later, man. Jesus is Lord.